we have this TD04 conversion 500 Abarth in with us to make around 250 horsepower. So stay tuned guys, and let's see what we end up with. TD04 conversion kit from TMC Motorsport. It's got the full setup with it, so intercooler, decat downpipes, full exhaust system, everything that we need to take it to around 250 horsepower. We don't like taking them further than 250 horsepower on the standard engine, so if anybody wanted to push further than that, it is possible, but it would need forging. So as we are the official UK distributor for TMC Motorsport, we will be applying a TMC Motorsport TD04 Stage 3 file to the ECU for this, as it's tested, it's proven, and it's known to be safe. We've done that on a number of vehicles that we've worked with before, so a big shout out to TMC Motorsport for allowing us to do that and working with us.
So we're just out in the Abarth 500 with the remapper Shane. We've just put the file on, haven't we? And we're just going out now to do the final of the data log runs. And then we're going to do a couple of dyno runs after that, just to make sure when we're doing the data logs, to make sure everything's gone okay with the map, with it being a hybrid turbo and everything. Make sure everything's right with intake temperatures and all that. And then we're going to obviously do the dyno runs and see what this monster can do. Guys, this Abarth 500 is absolutely insane. It's probably the quickest Abarth we've had in. Absolutely stupid. Jesus Christ! That is absolutely insane. Jesus. God damn. That. It absolutely throws you back, doesn't it? Jesus Christ. That is absolutely amazing. Guys, this car is absolutely insane. So we've gone off from about 148 brake horsepower to 240 brake horsepower. We've also had a massive torque increase up to 350 Newton meters of torque as well. It is an absolutely savage car, and I'm telling you, the customer is going to absolutely love it. So if you want your car working on any tunes or anything, then please do not hesitate to message us on Instagram and Facebook, and we'll see you very soon.